So this is the product that we're showing at CES this year. It's launching next week, January 13th, which I'm sure by the time you watch this video, it'll be done. Anyways, so this is the product that we're showing off at CES this year. This is DOKO. It's our new PC streaming device. Essentially, what it is it's a set-top box type of device that you plug into your TV and it connects to your network, and what it does is it allows you to use any computer on your network on that TV. What makes it a bit different from other streaming and mirroring technologies is that it has 4 USB ports, which uses USB over IP technology. So the whole idea is that plugging a USB device into the DOKO would be just like plugging that device in directly at the source computer. So this allows you to use any of the input devices that you're already used to and you already own, you know, in the convenience of your living room. You don't have to do any weird long range Bluetooth tricks or anything like that. You can just use your computer in the living room very, very easily. Yeah, so this keyboard isn't connected to the computer or anything. It's just connected straight into the DOKO, and I'm going to go ahead and project here so you can see how that works. So it's very, very simple, easy to use. All you do is just hit the play button and then it starts projecting right away. And you'll see what's happening right now is it's loading the USB devices. So all of the USB devices that I plugged into the DOKO are now being transferred over to that computer. And so now controlling this trackpad is controlling that computer. If you wanna play around with the thing, you can see that it's very responsive. There isn't any kind of like noticeable delay or anything like that. And now essentially what we've done is, we have your desktop in this living room environment now. You could do whatever you want. You could like browse the internet. You don't have to deal with any kind of crappy browsers that that other game consoles and things type of have. You could watch any kind of media you want. A quick example is we have Guardians of the Galaxy right here. You can see it pretty much just looks like it would be like if you just watched it directly on your computer. Yeah, there's no kind of delay or anything like that. And it's one of the great things about DOKO is that we've gotten the performance is good enough that you can play PC games on it. So you get to experience like really cool indie PC exclusive like local multiplayer titles in the living room with your friends. And another thing is like you can play like these really awesome third person games like Metal Gear Solid or like Dragon Age Inquisition or Assassin's Creed, things like that, and you get to play them on your big screen. And they all like run very well and they look great. Obviously like first-person shooters or very competitive stuff would be a bit more difficult to play, just because those are very, very sensitive towards latency and things like that. But yeah, so this is a great example. This is Metal Gear Solid. I'm gonna fire this up so you can see what that looks like. So yeah, I'm just gonna run around here so you can kind of see there's no kind of like screen tearing or artifacts or anything going on. It's very, very responsive. If you play around with the controllers, you'll see there's no kind of like input delay or anything. It really just feels like you're playing on a console. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, it just looks and feels as though you're playing on your PC, except you get to do it in the comfort of your living room. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it in a nutshell. The whole idea is that we felt like you already spend a lot of money on your awesome gaming PC, that it kind of sucks to have to build another one or build a HD PC to get it into the living room and things like that. And so why not just use the one computer you already have, you know? But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. It does 1080p streaming at 30 frames per second, and the latency under our optimal conditions floats around 50 milliseconds or so, which is still very, very competitive with today's current streaming technologies. But yeah, that's basically it. I mean,
what's the price point?
Yeah, so the price point is $99.99. And it's going to be available right away, pretty much.